Hello, Goody Thomas. So, if your engine will not run at idle, then what you have is an idle mixture. The idle circuit is got a clog in it somewhere. We don't know where, and we don't know that we'll be able to clean it out, but we'll try to clean it out. So you need to get yourself some carburetor, choke, and throttle body cleaner. And it makes sure that whatever brand you get, that you get this little tube that comes out and goes in. And I'll have to put that back in here in a minute. But you'll have to have carbon choke cleaner. All right, so the first step is to find out, this is your idle mixture screw. This is your load mixture screw. Don't touch this. If it runs properly out on the lake under load with people in the boat, don't touch this. This is your idle mixture screw. This really only has an effect when you are idling. So the first step is we want to know how many turns out from the stop. This is an adjustment valve, a needle valve. So we want to run it into the stop gently and count how many turns in it goes. So this one is going to be, there's a half turn, there's one turn, one and a half turns. Okay, so 1.5 turns, and that's normally where you, when we rebuild a carburetor, that's what we set it at, is 1.5 turns open in order to start the adjustment process. So that was 1.5 turns from the stop. Now we're going to take it on out, all the way out, because we know where it's supposed to be when it was running properly. And that's what the needle valve looks like. So you see it creates a small orifice for the fuel to flow through when it's in place. And let me set my phone down for just a second and put this red straw in here. Come on. Okay. So what we're hoping is that the clog would be right in the seat that went into. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot some carburetor cleaner in there, and hopefully that will take care of your problem. And we'll put this guy back in, put this screw back in, and we'll tighten it all the way down, then open it back up 1.5 turns. Oh. So 1.5 turns open, there's a half turn, there's one turn, and there's 1.5 turns open. And of course the carburetor does not need to come off to do that. You can do that while the carburetor is right on the boat. You do it with the engine off, of course. And so hopefully that will cure your problem. You got about a 50-50 chance. If that doesn't cure your problem, then you're looking at a rebuild. The kits are about $130, and we can do it for you. You can ship it to us, because we know we have an engine we can test it on, and so that should cure your problem. And it's just from setting. I get gummed up. All right. Hopefully this is helpful to you.